July 20th, 1969, a date etched in the annals of human history. On this day, the world watched in awe and wonder as humankind accomplished the impossible. Two brave astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, became the first humans to set foot on another celestial body, the Moon. The Apollo 11 mission was the culmination of years of intense research, development, and unwavering human spirit. It marked a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration, demonstrating the boundless potential of human ingenuity and determination. This remarkable feat forever changed our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The grainy images transmitted back to Earth, showing the astronauts moving across the lunar surface, captivated the global imagination. It was a testament to the power of collective effort, inspiring generations to dream bigger and reach for the stars. The Apollo 11 mission was not just about reaching the moon, it was about pushing the boundaries of human potential. The journey to the moon was not without its challenges. It was born out of intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. This era, known as the space race, began in 1955 when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. The United States, caught off guard, quickly ramped up its own space program. President John F. Kennedy famously challenged the nation to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the end of the decade. This bold vision galvanized the nation and ignited a fervent passion for space exploration. NASA, formed in response to Sputnik, took on the Herculean task of developing the technology and expertise needed to achieve Kennedy's ambitious goal. From the powerful Saturn V rocket to the specialized spacecraft and lunar modules, every aspect of the mission was meticulously designed and rigorously tested. At the heart of this incredible endeavor were three astronauts: Neil Armstrong, the mission commander, Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin, the lunar module pilot, and Michael Collins, the command module pilot. These highly skilled individuals represented the best of humanity, courageous, intelligent, and driven by an insatiable thirst for exploration. On July 16, 1969, the world held its breath as the colossal Saturn V rocket, carrying the Apollo 11 crew, roared to life and ascended from the launch pad at Cape Kennedy, Florida. Millions watched on television, their hearts pounding in unison with the thunderous roar of the engines. The launch marked the beginning of a perilous journey. Every stage of the mission, from liftoff to lunar orbit insertion, was fraught with potential dangers. Yet the Apollo 11 crew faced each challenge with unwavering courage and precision, guided by the tireless efforts of thousands of engineers and scientists back on Earth. The journey to the moon took 3 days. During this time, the astronauts performed critical maneuvers, separating the command and lunar modules and aligning their trajectory for lunar orbit insertion. Throughout the voyage, they maintained constant communication with Mission Control in Houston, relaying vital data and receiving instructions. As they approached their destination, the desolate beauty of the moon filled their small windows. The lunar surface, a stark contrast to the vibrant blue of Earth, was a mesmerizing tapestry of craters, mountains, and vast plains of lunar dust. The astronauts were acutely aware that they were on the verge of making history. With each passing moment, the tension inside the spacecraft grew, a palpable mix of excitement, anticipation, and a healthy dose of fear. On July 20th, 1969, the lunar module, named Eagle, began its descent to the moon's surface. With Armstrong at the controls, the Eagle maneuvered through the final moments of its descent, skillfully avoiding boulders and craters. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, the words that would echo through history crackled through the speakers at Mission Control Houston Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. A wave of relief and jubilation swept through Mission Control and across the globe. Humanity had finally touched the surface of another world. 6 hours after landing, Neil Armstrong, clad in his bulky spacesuit, slowly descended the ladder of the lunar module. As his foot touched the lunar surface, he uttered the now iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Moments later, Aldrin joined Armstrong on the surface, and together they spent the next 2 hours exploring their surroundings, planting the American flag and Section 7, Homeward Bound. After 21 hours and 36 minutes on the lunar surface, it was time for the astronauts to begin their journey back to Earth. Leaving behind the lunar module's descent stage, which served as a launch pad, the ascent stage carrying Armstrong and Aldrin blasted off from the moon's surface, leaving behind a plaque that read, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon, July 1969, AD, we came in peace for all mankind." The ascent stage successfully docked with the command module in lunar orbit, and the crew transferred the precious lunar samples and film canisters. Leaving the lunar module behind, the astronauts fired the command module's engine, setting course for home. Their journey back to Earth was a time for reflection, as they contemplated the magnitude of what they had accomplished. Section 8, Splashdown and Global Celebration. On July 24, 1969, the Apollo 11 command module, with its 3 weary but triumphant astronauts, splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean, southwest of Hawaii. The world erupted in celebration as millions witnessed the culmination of this historic journey. The astronauts, hailed as heroes, returned to a world forever changed by their accomplishment. They embarked on a global tour, sharing their experiences and inspiring generations to come. The Apollo 11 mission had achieved the seemingly impossible, proving that with enough ambition, ingenuity, and collective effort, humanity could accomplish anything it set its mind to. Section 9, Apollo's Enduring Legacy. The legacy of Apollo 11 extends far beyond the technical achievements of landing on the moon. It ignited a passion for science and technology that continues to this day. It fostered international collaboration, demonstrating the power of shared goals and overcoming seemingly insurmountable challenges. Most importantly, it inspired generations to dream bigger and to believe in the boundless potential of the human spirit. The Apollo 11 mission stands as a testament to the power of human curiosity, ingenuity, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge and exploration. It reminds us that our greatest achievements lie not in what we know, but in our willingness to venture into the unknown and push the boundaries of what's possible.